basic skincare routine. If you're new to the skincare field or you just want a good basic skincare routine, I'm here for you. Disclaimer, if you are a teenager, if you are in your 20s or 30s, 40s, wherever you are, just know that the skincare routine may depend on it. So the skincare routine that we're going to do today is a really basic skincare routine that anybody can use. And then we get older and stuff like that and we don't want wrinkles, blah, blah, blah. So then we can add some other products and ingredients. But we'll go through it. In the morning, we like to start with a gentle cleanser. This one from Kiehl's is really good. It's a really gentle cleanser. It doesn't have any active ingredients in it, so you can use it whether you're a teenager, in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, it doesn't really matter. It's just a really good gentle cleanser that just gets rid of the dirt from the night. You can also go in with the Cetaphil cleanser. I've used this for a long time. It's really good. It's a sensitive gel cream cleanser. It's not a foaming one, so it doesn't strip your skin in any way. The CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser is also a really good cleanser. I love this one. It's super gentle, but it cleanses the dirt off your face and it's non-fragranced and it's just really good. The green one is for normal to dry skin and this one is for normal to oily skin, and they have so many other colors that you can go in and find and see which matches your skin the best. That was phase one. Cleansing, check. Next step is a moisturizer. If you're in doubt of a good moisturizer, I would definitely recommend the Toleraine series from La Roche-Posay. They have different levels of richness in their creams and it's just really hydrating and it's non-active ingredients in it. And it's also for sensitive skin. Of course, there are many other moisturizers that you can use, but the Toleraine one from La Roche-Posay is a really good price point for everybody. If you want to go a little bit higher, you can go in with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It's a super great cream with a lot of hydrating ingredients in it, such as squalane, which helps to keep your skin's moisture in. And if you want to be a little bit more exclusive, you can go in with the Tatcha Dewy Cream. It's really good and it feels amazing on the skin. It's long lasting. I live with it for this product, really. And then we have the final step, which is, of course, sunscreen. Yay! Whether you're in your teens, your 20s, 30s, 40s, doesn't matter, wear sunscreen 365 days a year. There are many different opinions on how a sunscreen should be feeling like, looking like, and giving a glow whatsoever. For me, the most important things is not to leave a white cast. I don't want to have it to be like, I can feel it on my skin. And I definitely don't want it to be sticky or peeling off, or just not be a match with my other skincare products. So I actually have a lot of criteria. Wow. So these are my top, I don't know how many do I have, 5, 4 or something? Just counted 4. I recommend this to everybody because this sunscreen is just a sunscreen that works for everybody. It doesn't leave a white cast, you can't feel it on your skin. It feels like a moisturizer basically, and it gives an amazing glow and it just functions well with all your other skincare products. Like, what's not to like? So this is the one from Beauty of Your Sign. It's the only one they have. I'm sorry, they also just have made a sun stick, but this is the fluid one. And it's just really amazing. A dupe for this one, the sunscreen from Round Lab. Seriously, it reminds me so much of the one from Beauty of Design, but it has the same qualifications. It doesn't leave a white cast, feels like a cream, gives a great glow, fits well into your other skincare products, and it doesn't stick. This was my first sunscreen love. I love this product. It has the most amazing consistency. It's very watery, so it just blends really well into your skin, and I just love this one. It was my first and it will be my forever love. Oh, sorry, it's the La Roche-Posay Anthelios, I don't know how to pronounce it, sunscreen. And I know you can also get a mineral one and you can also get a tinted one in this packaging. But I don't like the mineral one. Ooh, it leaves a white cast, I don't like that. This one has just been added to my skincare family and is the L'Oreal Paris Radiant Daily UVA Fluid SPF 50. And the thing I love about this sunscreen is that it actually has vitamin C in it. So it gives a great glow, and it's actually the one I'm wearing right now. You can see the glow, it's fantastic. So I would definitely also recommend this, but maybe when you're in your 20s, from 20s, 30s, because it has vitamin C in it and you don't want to use vitamin C in a too early age. That was my basic skincare routine, and now we can go on to the add-ons. If you're in your 20s, 30s, whatsoever, and you need a little bit of glow, go in with a vitamin C. You can use any vitamin C that you would like. Just make sure it has ascorbic acid in it because that's the antioxidant that we want. Today I have this one on from L'Oréal Paris as well. As you can see, my glow is insane, and together with this one, so it's like a double dose of vitamin C, and I freaking love it. Look at my skin, it's glowing. Vitamin C increases your collagen production, it decreases the hyperpigmentations if you have any, and it gives a beautiful glow, and it acts like an antioxidant. So what's not to like? If you want to target your fine lines, wrinkles, increase your collagen production, I would definitely recommend a retinol. Though there are some people who can't tolerate vitamin A, which is retinol, and I don't know if I'm one of those. Maybe I am, I'm still figuring out. But either way, I have a solution for you if you are not tolerant to retinol. If you're new to retinol, go in with the microdose from Kiehl's. It has 0.1% retinol in it, which is very gentle and a great start if you're a newbie. And as I always say with retinol, start low, build up. If you don't feel like it has any effect on you with the 0.1%, go up to a 0.5% and then just build up slowly. Just don't do anything irrationally and think the higher the percentage, the better the results. Let's go with 20%. No, you will burn your skin off. If you cannot tolerate retinol, I would definitely recommend the quarterly Reversatol, which is a patented ingredient, and it works exactly the same way. It increases the skin cell turnover, it increases the collagen production, and it's just a really great serum that's a little bit more gentle. And you literally only need one pump, so this one goes a long way. If you want to target your lines around your eyes or crow's feet or 11 lines, whatever, you can go in with a Retinol eye cream. This one is from Sunday Riley. It's their 5 stars and it has a lot of retinoid in it. So be careful and only use it under the eye. Really good tip is to first moisturize or an eye cream if you use that, and then go in with this one. A little amount goes a long way, so just make sure to use the barest, and then just your eye cream, then you put this on, and then you put your eye cream moisturizer on again, and only use it in the evening time, and maybe 1 to 2 times a week for a start, and then build up slowly, really slowly, because it is really effective. Otherwise, you can always go in with a regular moisturizing eye cream. This one is from Kiehl's. It's a creamy eye treatment with avocado, and it is amazing. It hydrates so well. I think that was it, and if you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know. I would love to answer. And if you have any questions about other products that you would like me to review, anything, please let me know, guys. I would love to help you, and just know that it means so much for me that you are watching this video, and thank you so much.